These are 18650 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries. I've got a parcel of them because I use them in, this is an old flashlight I got off eBay, but it's a very bright LED light. I like it. It's cheap, but it works. I get some of these batteries out of laptop batteries. Old dead laptop batteries, you can take them apart. You can find these 18650s and you can charge them up very easily. They work in these flashlights. And it brings new life to the good cells that was still in those laptop batteries. I've got a few in here that I got from Walmart and other places, but they scatter everywhere. I'm wondering if I can build me a little caddy. I'm going to try to do that today.
Here we are in RDWorks. This is a free program that I use to set up the files from my laser. So let's just get a little sketch drawn up to start the caddy. I'm going to grab a circle tool. And I'm going to make these holes 19 millimeters, just slightly larger than the battery. I'll make a few copies of that and just place them up against an edge to make them straight. I think I'm going to do 8 rows of 3. I'm going to offset the center row, save a millimeter or 2 maybe. There. Now let's draw a box for the outside. Okay, and we'll save that as 18650. For the outside of the box, I come to a web page called Maker Case. We're just going to select a basic box. I'm going to do all my measurements in millimeters. For the width, I'm going to want that 74 millimeters. I want it 70 millimeters tall. I want it 234 millimeters deep. That's an inside diameter. I am using 3 millimeter material. I want it to be an open box, and I'm going to use finger joints. So here's the basic shape of the box. I'm going to change the size of these joints just a little bit. Let's go down to 12.75. There, that looks good. Okay. Let's download the plans. I want to download it as a DXF so I can open it in RDWorks. But first I'm going to disable the labels because I don't want that engraved. Now back in RDWorks, I'm just going to import the file that I downloaded from the web page. I'm just going to reorient the file just a little bit to match my material. And I'll just save that as O box.
I bought this laser off eBay several months ago. It's a cheap laser, but it's a 60-watt laser and I really like it. I've got a scrap piece of Baltic birch plywood in here from a previous project, and the files are already loaded into the laser, so let's get to cutting. Okay, now that we have all the pieces cut out, let's see how it fits together. Put these to the side for a second. We'll start with the bottom. Just a little touch of glue on all the tabs. All the little fingers I'm just using some Gorilla wood glue. Okay. Shop towel. Wipe some of this excess glue up a little bit. Man, I noticed when I was cutting, I made me some 20mm spacers for the shelves. Go ahead and glue a couple of those in place. And we'll put the last shelf on top. I'll touch of glue right where the spacers are. And there we have it. Have a caddy for our 18650s. Okay, we'll get it just a little time to dry, so let's see how they fit. Oh. Okay, they slide right into place. So that makes a good little caddy. I like that. Well, I guess the next project is a bank charger. I think I'll build a bank charger next. All right.